Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching us for the first time, please help us to subscribe, share, like, comment, press the notification bell to all.
Hello beautiful people.
We are
In this video, one of our subscribers visited us and gave us this gift. Okay,
yes,
he brought it for Emanuela and
I'm
Philip.
Philip.
So wanted to use it to
Thank
thank the subscriber
yes,
for visiting and gifting us this
this
gift.
gift.
Okay, Emanuela, are you ready to see the gift? Philip, are
Wow,
you ready?
we really appreciate
Yes, so
and
subscriber,
for
we
the
really thank you for
uh,
visiting and
come
gifting us
here.
these gifts. Okay, so Emanuela, let's go and see what the subscriber brought.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you very
I
much.
really appreciate.
Manuela, say thank you very much. Wow.
Manuela, say thank you very much. Oh.
Wow. What's this?
Wow, we really appreciate you.
Hey!
Hey!
Manuela, wait.
Wow,
This
thank
is
you.
Manuela, leave the
Thank
phone.
you.
Leave there.
Thank you very much. For
This is
gift.
cornflakes.
Thank you. This is bread. Wow. Eh? This is, you like it?
Wow. This is Indomie carton.
Wow.
Okay.
Eh? We really appreciate.
Wow. This is Milo.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Wow. Thank you very much. Emanuela, come here now. Come here. Don't stay there. Leave the bread. Mommy. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
for this.
Thank
For
you
the
very
gift.
much for the gift.
Thank you. God
say,
bless
Manuela,
you.
say God bless you.
God
Thank
bless you
you.
more and
Thank
more
you.
in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Thank you.
So,
wow,
beautiful people, this is the gift one of our subscriber. You know, he visited us and he brought this. So he brought it for the kids.
Wow.
So we want to use it to say
Thank you
very much. We really appreciate your time and your efforts for coming and bringing gift for the kids. Okay, Manuela, say thank you and bye bye.
Thank
Philip,
you.
say bye bye.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Oh.
Bye bye.